My students, how are you? Today we will solve revision examination from المعاصر book. Cairo government. Okay, question number 1. Look at with me about here. Choose the correct answer. If 6 power x equals 7, then 6 power x plus 1 equal space. We know 6 power x plus 1 equal 6 power x multiplication 6 power 1, and he give us 6 power x equals 7. You can write here 7. 6 power x, you can write here 7 multiplication by 6 power 1. 6 power 1 equals 6. 6 times 7 equals 42. Then the result will be 42. Letter D. Question number 2. With the expression ax power 2 plus 12x plus 9 is a perfect square, then a equal, we know the perfect square, it's meaning the first term equals the second term power 2 over 4 times third term. Then ax power 2 equal second term 4 multiplication by the third was 9 in denominator here. So the median power 2 over 4 times the third. 12x power 2, it's meaning 144x power 2 over 4 times 9. It will be 144x power 2 over 36. It will be equal 4x power 2. You can combine between 4x power 2 and ax power 2. The coefficient here will be 4. Then a will be 4, because 4 times 36 equal 144. 4 times 6 equal 24, right? 4 and carry up 2. 3 times 4 equal 12 plus 2 equal 14. So then the result 144. Okay, again, to find the first term here about perfect square, you must write the median power 2 over 4 times third. 12x or power 2 over 4 times third term here 9. 4 times 9 equal 36. 144 over 36 equal 4, and write x power 2 behind it. Then the coefficient about x power 2 equal 4, so we must write here 4. Choose letter B. Question number 3. If x multiplication by y equal 3 and x plus y all power 2 equals 16, then x power 2 plus y power 2 equal space. In this expression, we can write the result in the simplest form. Write the first power 2, x power 2. We can write the result here about this expression, expanded form, x power 2 plus 2xy plus y power 2 equal 16. And we can cancel xy and write 3. Then x power 2 plus y power 2 plus 2 multiplication by xy. 2 times 3 equals 6 equals 16. Then x power 2 plus y power 2 plus 2 times what? 2 times 3, because they give us x multiplication y equal 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. Write 6 here equal 16. Okay, then x power 2 plus y power 2, it will be equal 10, because 10 plus 6 equals 16. Understood? Choose letter B about this example. We can solve this example here again. X plus y all power 2, we can write the result here. It will be x power 2 plus 2xy plus x power 2, and then cancel 2xy. It will be 2 times what? 2 times 3, because he give us 2xy equal 3. He give us x multiplication by 1 3 3. 2 times 3 equals 6, and x plus y all power 2 equal 10. 16 here. 16 minus 6 equal 10. X power 2 plus 2 times 3 equals 6 plus y power 2 equals 16. then x power 2 plus y power 2 equals 16 minus 6 equal 10. Again, we know x plus y all power 2 equal x power 2 plus 2xy plus y power 2. The result equals 16. And x multiplication y equal 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. Then x power 2 plus y power 2 equal 10, because 10 plus 6 equals 16. Next question here. If a regular die is touched once, then the probability of appearing in number 7. We have 7 in the die, so it's impossible. The result will be equal 0. About appearing the number 7 in the die, we haven't 7 in it. Question number 5. 3 power 0 plus 3 power negative 1, subtract 1 over root 3 all power 2. 3 power 0 equal 1 plus 3 power negative 1, it will be 1 over 3, it's meaning inverse about 3. Subtract 1 over root 3 all power 2, it will be 1 over 3. We can cancel negative by positive, the result will be equal 1. Question 6. If x plus y equal 3 and x power 2 minus xy plus y power 2 equal 5, then x power 3 plus y power 3 equal. We can write this expression, factorize it by smallest parenthesis and greatest. Here x power 3, it will be x cubic root about y power 3 equal y, and then write x here power 2, it will be x power 2, and here y power 2 is the third, and the median will be negative xy. Okay, and then we can find the multiplication between two expressions. He give us x plus y equal 3, write 3 here, multiplication by this expression, he give us the result about 8 equal 5. The result will be equal 15. Choose the letter A. Question number 2. Complete each of the following. If 3 times a number is 3 power 3, then 2 over 3 of this number equal space. We know 3 times the number, it means 3 multiplication by 3 power 3. If 3 times the number is 3 power 3, 3 multiplication by what? Equal 3 power 3. We know 3 multiplication by x, let this number equal x. 3 times x equal 3 power 3. 3 power 3, it's meaning 27. 27 divided 3 equal 9. Then this number will be 9. You want to find 2 over 3 of this number. 2 over 3 multiplication by this number was 9. 2 over 3 multiplication by 9. 9 divided by 3 equal 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. Then the result will be 6. Again, if 3 times the number is 3 multiplication what? Equal 3 power 3. 3 multiplication by 9. Equal 3 power 3 equal 27. 27 divided by 3 equal 9. Then 3x will be equal 27. Then x will be 9. So 2 over 3 multiplication by 9 equals 6. Question number 2. If x plus y equals 7 and a minus 2b equal 4, then the numerical value of the expression a multiplication x plus y subtract 2b multiplication x plus y equal. We can factorize this expression by write height common factor between two expressions, x plus y outside here, and the result will be a, remember here a, subtract by 2b. He give us x plus y equals 7. 7 multiplication by a minus 2b with 4. 7 times 4 equal 28. The result will be 28. Question 3. If 2 over 3 power 7 equal 27 over 8, then x equal. We know 2 over 3 power x equal 27 over 8. It's meaning 3 over 2 all power 3. It will be 2 over 3 power negative 3. We can write the inverse about this fraction here. Reverse about 3 over 2, it will be 2 over 3 power negative 1. And the multiplication negative 1 by the power here, the result will be what? About x will be equal negative 3 because we have two base equal. 2 over 3 here and here 2 over 3. 2 wholes power x and here power negative 3, then x equal negative 3. Okay. Question number 4. A class has 50 students, boys and girls. If the probability of choosing girls randomly is 0.6, then the number of the boys will be what? He gives us the probability of choosing girl. So the probability of choosing boy will be 0.4. Multiplication by the total 50 give us the number of boys. Okay, the number of boys equals the probability about choosing a boy randomly 0.4 because 1 minus 0.6 equals 0.4. Okay, it's a probability about choosing boy. You must find the probability about choosing boys here equals 0.4 and then multiplication the probability by the total number. 0.4 probability about boys multiplication by 50. It will be what? Right here 4 times 5 equal 20. Okay, 20 boys. The number of boys is 20. You can find the result by another method. By find the number of girls by 0.6 multiplication by 50. You can find the result by another method by find the number of girls multiplication probability about girls by the total. 0.6 multiplication by 50 equal 30 girls. We have 30 girls and the boys will be 20 because 20 plus 30 equal 50. Understood? In this example we can find the number of girls or the number of boys as you like. You can find the number of girls by multiplication 50 by 0.6 and the result will be 30. Subtract it by the total number 50, it will be 20 boys. If x power 3 multiplication y power negative 3 equal 8, then y over x. In this expression x power 3 y power negative 3, we can write here x power 3 over y power 3 because it's the inverse about this expression. Okay, understood? I solve this here. X power 3 over y power 3 equal 8. Then we can find x over y by put square or cubic root. We can write cubic root here by left hand side and right hand side. Then x over y equal cubic root about 8. Cubic root about 8 equal 2. But in this example he want to find y over x. Y over x is inverse about x over y. X over y equal 2. Then y over x writes inverse about 2 multiplicative inverse, it will be 1 over 2. Then y over x will be 1 over 2 because y over x is meaning 1 over 2. You have x over y equal 2 over 1. Then y over x equal 1 over 2. Factorize each of the following completely. 9 minus y power 2, we can factorize it. 3 minus y multiplication by 3 plus y. We have the difference between two squared here. And 4x power 4 plus 81y power 4. We can add and subtract 2 multiplication by the first and third about cubic root. You can find the result by here, add and subtract. Okay, look at with me about the board here and solve it with me. Okay, we can add and subtract 2 multiplication by square root about first 4x power 4 multiplication by square root about 81y power 4. It will be positive or negative 2 multiplication by 2x power 2 multiplication by 9y power 2. Positive or negative, 2 times 2 4, 4 times 9 equal 36, x power 2 y power 2. We will add and subtract this term about this expression. Okay, look at with me about steps. We can write here 4x power 2 4x power 4 and write positive 36x power 2 y power 2 here plus 81 y power 4 subtract 36 x power 2 y power 2 and this expression perfect square. We can write here square root about first, it will be 2x power 2 and here it will be about third. Okay, 9y power 2 and write the positive sign here. Okay, subtract 36 x power 2 y power 2, we can write 6 xy all power 2 and then factorize this expression. It will be the difference between two square. Right, 2x power 2 plus 9y subtract by 6xy multiplication by 2x power 2 plus 9y plus 6xy. Okay, this is the result about two expression multiplication about the first and the second. Understood? Again, in this expression we add and subtract positive or negative to multiplication by square root about first term and second term. The result will be positive or negative 36x power 2 y power 2 and then we can add and subtract this expression, add in the median and subtract at the least and factorize this expression by 2x power 2 plus 9y power all power 2 subtract right here 9x y power 2 okay all power 2 and here write the first 9y power 2 here and here 2x power 2 plus 9y power 2 plus 6x. Two power x minus 2 equal 1 over 2 root 2 all power 2. Find the value of x. We can find the value about right hand side here. 1 power 2 equal 1. Then 2 power x minus 2 it will be equal right here 1 over 4 times 2 equal 8 because 2 root 2 power 2 it's meaning 2 root 2 multiplication itself. 2 times 2 equal 4 and root 2 times root 2 equal 2, 2 times 4 equal 8 and then we can write here 1 over 8 it's meaning 8 power negative 1 and we know 8 equal 2 power 3. Then you can write here 8 power negative 1 and 8 it will be 2 power 3. 3 times negative 1 equal negative 3. Then we have 2 base here 2 and here 2 base equal then x minus 2 equal negative 3. You can move negative 2 from left hand side to right hand side then x will be negative 3 plus 2. X will be negative 1. It's the value of x. Okay, x equal negative 1. Question number 4. Find in our solution set of the equation 3x power 2 plus 15x minus 18 equals 0. We can divide it by 3 first because all term can divide it by 3 and then we can complete steps to find the result. Understood? 3x power 2. Write with me here. 3x power 2 plus 15x minus 18 equals 0. Okay, we can divide it by 3 about this expression. The result will be x power 2 plus 5x minus 6 equals 0, and then factorize it. X multiplication by x, and we have the two digits or two factors of multiplication about them equals 6, and if we difference them the result will be 5. What about this example? Multiplication about them equal 6. 1 times 6 equals 6, and if we difference them the result will be 5. 1 multiplication by 6, and the sign here like the median, it will be positive and it will be negative. Then x minus 1 equal 0, so x will be equal 0 plus 1, x equal 1, and x plus 6 equals 0, then x equal negative 6. Then the solution set will be 1 and negative 6. Okay, it's the solution set about this expression. It will be 1 and negative 6. Okay, question number 5, number 4, letter B. Simplify simplest about this expression. Okay, look at this expression. We have 3x power x minus 2 minus 1. Okay, again 3 power x minus 1 multiplication by 2 power x plus 1, all divided by 6 power x minus 1. We can find the result about this expression. 6 power x minus 1 and 2 base difference, and the power was different. But in this expression you can factorize it. Write this here, 3 power x minus 1, the first expression. Here multiplication by 2 power x plus 1, and 6, write it here in the numerator, and 6 equal 3 multiplied by 2, and distribute the power x minus 1 and x minus 1 here. You can cancel this expression by this expression, or this term or this term, so the result will be 2 power x plus 1 over 2 power x minus 1, and then we can find the difference between 2 power here, right? 2 and x plus 1, subtract the power about the base, subtract x plus 1. You can change the power here about the numerator because you find the result about divided. To find the result about divided, you must change the power about the numerator. 2 power x plus 1 subtract x minus 1, it will be positive. This term here will be changed, negative x plus 1, and then x minus x equals 0, and the result will be 2 power 1 plus 1 equal 2 equal 4. The result will be 4 about this expression. Okay, again in this expression we can write 6 in the numerator by multiplication 3 times 2 and distribute the power x minus 1 here and here, and you can cancel the first term by the first term here because it's equal. 2 power x plus 1 over 2x minus 1 equal 2 power x plus 1 subtract x plus 1. Change the sign here, and then you can change the sign here, cancel x by negative x, and 1 plus 1 equal 2, 2 power 2 equal 4. So the value will be equal 4 about this example. Okay, next question, question number 5, letter A. A positive real number, if its square is added to 3 times of it, then the result equal 28. Okay, a positive real number, if its square is 82. 3 times 8, then the result equal 28. Find the number. We can write the number, put the number will be x. If it's squared, it's meaning x power 2. 82 plus 3 times of it, 3x equal 28. And then you can change 28 by right hand side, or moving from right hand side to left hand side and change the sign here. X power 2 plus 3x minus 28 equals 0. And then you can factorize this expression. Open two brackets here. X power 2, it's meaning x times x. And we want to find two digits multiplication about them equal 28 and the difference between them equal 3. We know 4 times 7 equal 28, and the difference between 7 and 4 equal 3. The sign here will be difference. The first, or the greatest number, such as at the median, it will be positive and it will be negative. Result will be equal 0. And then x minus 4 equal 0. It will be x equal 4. Then x equal 4 or x equal negative 7. But he gave us information about positive real number. So x equal negative 7 undefined. No, it's false. We haven't negative in this example because he tell us a positive real number. So this number will be 4. The result will be equal 4. The number equal 4. Okay. Question letter B. A box has 15 regular balls. 3 of them are white. 9 of them are black. A ball is drawn randomly. Find the probability of drawing ball black. We know space, simple space equal, but we have white and black. So the probability about is drawing back equal number of ball black was 9 over the total 15. And then you can sample it by divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 equal 3. 15 divided by 3 equal 5. Number 2, not white and no black. Not white and not black. It will be equal 0 because the color here white and black only, not white and no black. We have it another blue here or green. We haven't any colored here without white and black, so the result will be equal 0.